So if you're facing a challenge where you can't determine whether people have read the messages you have sent to them on Facebook Messenger, then most likely you disabled read receipts. So to be able to determine or to know when people read your messages, then you need to go ahead and enable read receipts in Facebook Messenger. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by just liking this video and also subscribing to this channel. So to enable this, go to your messenger, and as you can see, I'm in my messenger here. Now from here, tap on menu to proceed, and under menu, tap on settings. Now this will open settings page, and then scroll down until you get to this section of privacy and safety, which is under preferences. Go ahead and tap on it. And now if you scroll down, under what people see, we have here read receipts. And under it, you can see let people see you have read their messages. So if you go ahead and tap on it, you can see it is turned off. And under it, we are told people won't be able to see when you have read their messages, and you won't be able to see when they have read yours. So this is the main reason why you can't know whether people have read your chats on Messenger or not. To be able to see that, go ahead and toggle this on by tapping on it, and now people will be able to see when you have read their messages, and likewise you'll also be able to see when people have read your messages. So that's how you enable read receipts on Facebook Messenger. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.